Yeah, this is a $1,200 burger. Ooh, you like that? In Vegas, everything is pushed to the extreme, and super-luxe gourmet burgers are no exception. But are the hefty price tags worth the hype? To get some answers, I'm linking up with someone who's familiar with the big baller lifestyle. Vegas veteran and former Pro Bowl running back, Marshawn Lynch. We're gonna taste test some VIP patties and hit the lab to create a custom beast mode burger. Marshawn, cheers. Welcome to the Burger Show.
Hey, hold on. I think you're cheating, bro. Yeah, we gotta get him some more Hennessy, because he's cheating right now.
We're at the 75th floor Boulevard penthouse. There's massage tables in the back room, gold everywhere. What is Vegas like as an NFL superstar?
Oh, I think it's like that one TV show, Moving On Up to the East
Yes.
Side.
Have you ever run up a hotel tab here?
To be honest with you, bro, I do what they call balling on a budget.
Okay.
So most of the time, my shit comp. So,
oh, okay. You just signed your first NFL contract. You got the first bag.
Yeah.
What was your first baller meal?
When I got drafted, I was 20. Damn, my first baller meal, I ain't gonna even lie to you, big dog. Red Lobster, bro.
Oh, yeah. Bro, I love Red Lobster.
I thought I was doing it. I thought I was doing it big, family. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And all I could think was them cheddar biscuits.
Oh.
I thought
Let me tell you.
Hey, I maxed they ass out for hella cheddar. I don't think I ate nothing but cheddar biscuits. I mean, I'm a simple man, you feel me? Though?
Yeah, hell yeah, okay.
Like
now I'm starting to get a sense and a feel of like, who Marshawn Lynch is.
Rocking?
Living the Las Vegas lifestyle is all about flexing, right? It's all about how much money you got, how much money you're gambling, what you're wearing, but most importantly, how baller your burgers are.
All right.
Okay.
Well, now we getting somewhere.
This is still the Burger Show. We're soigné. We can get whatever we want. And that's why today we're gonna try out some maxed out burgers, bro. $700, $1,200.
$1,200 burger. Yeah. Damn.
Burger number one.
Y'all secret agents or something? Y'all don't even make footsteps.
Yes. So this is the 777 burger from the Burger Brasserie. Right? This is a surf and turf burger. What are you thinking first things first?
It look like it's some shit that's still moving on here. How much is this burger?
It's a $77 burger. But if you want it for $777, you get Dom P Rosé.
Oh, okay.
Starts with a toasted cornmeal dusted bun, Kobe beef patty. It's broiled on the grill, topped with goat cheese, caramelized onions, pancetta, foie gras, arugula, lobster, and drizzled with 100-year-old aged balsamic vinegar.
So what's this?
Foie gras, that's a duck liver. It's super rich. It's ballin'. Okay.
You know what I feel like right now?
It's ballin'.
I feel like
he just threw a $100 piece of foie gras. He's just like, you know, I don't want that.
I can't even pronounce that shit, so I damn well know I shouldn't be eating it.
It honestly just tastes like fat. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah, I ain't know that.
Okay, you give it just a little bit.
Hell no.
Yeah.
I thought it was a mushroom. Hold on, what goat cheese tastes like, bruh?
It just tastes like ricotta.
What? You speaking Spanish?
It just tastes like regular milk cheese.
All right, let me see. This got the most. Let me see. I feel like Dave Chappelle. Yeah, y'all, I got dinosaur eggs in my refrigerator. Bitch, I'm balling.
What are you tasting?
Like, I don't taste the bacon.
I don't either.
I for sure don't taste the lobster.
Me neither. There's also that
this crunchy
aged balsamic.
You know what? Maybe, can I get some more of that?
This is the ballest move ever.
Look, it even got my cousin on here. Rico Suave.
My personal, professional opinion of this burger. I like everything in this burger, but I like everything on its own.
So I'm not a chef though, right?
Yeah.
But I done ate some good ass shit in my life.
Okay.
Like my McDonald's burger.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
G shit though. But at the end of the day, if I'm gonna pay $77 for a burger, I want that burger to slap me in the face. But what about
I should have taken it apart like
Domino, duck.
Foie gras.
Foie gras.
Yeah.
You ain't taste that? You eating the shit out of it right now. So
honestly,
taste it.
Burger number 2. Ooh, look at this.
Okay.
This is a record. This is a record player. It comes, if you buy this burger, it comes with a record player. Yeah, this is a $1,200 burger. Ooh, you like that? That's truffle.
Why you should have, man.
It starts off with A5 Wagyu patty. It's basted with truffle veal jus, sake rubbed cheddar. It comes with a house-made purple Okinawa potato roll. It has MSG mayo, mushrooms that you can only get in the fall. It has roasted Campari tomatoes. It comes with a side of poutine, white truffle, which they've given us the liberty to shave.
Go ahead, dig into that burger. I'm gonna get right with you in a minute, cousin.
Oh yeah, I see what you're doing.
It would be me to get to breaking some shit. You gonna be here, so you could get another one. This one looked like it probably got a little bit more slap, and it got a speaker on it.
Take it.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
It. Have you ever shaved truffle before?
I have not.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, cause I was for sure finna do some shit with this.
Yeah, you gotta let it fly on there. We're taking $1,200 to the next level. We just turned it into a $1,400 burger.
This truffle stank. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This shit smell like ass cheeks.
It's dank.
And you trying to have me eat that? This ain't no blueberry muffin?
No, that is purple Okinawa potatoes.
Only purple Okinawa. Where the purple
shout out to Japan.
At?
Japan is a heavy influence on this burger.
Shishani.
All right, what are we thinking? Let me walk you through that.
Yeah, give me some history, some feedback before I take my second bite into this.
Like to some people, that flavor, that earthy flavor, is ballin'. We're talking about the matsutake mushrooms. It has that nice woody.
Is that what I'm tasting?
Yeah. And then you have the Campari tomatoes, which is probably, arguably, one of the best tomatoes you could buy. That's also really earthy.
So that last one had all that other shit in it. You know what I mean? All the arugula, and balsamica. And, but I couldn't taste all the shit. But yet, I bite into this and it feel like I just bit into an old couch cushion.
As someone who's been working with these ingredients for years, I understand it. This is like, if you were to compare it to a car, right? This would be like a Tesla. The reason why I say that is because it's got the technology and the way it's made. They use high-end material, A5 Wagyu beef, and it's like well thought out.
I like your analogy, because as you put it like that, that's exactly what it is. Because it's not like an old, dirty taste.
No, it's
just like an old, but at the same time, I had a Tesla.
See?
And I got rid of that. Give me my 6A Stang and let me high-po shit though, you know what I mean?
I feel that.
The bread good though.
I see where your head's at. Now it's time for us to make the beast mode burger. Cheers to this. Ooh, look at this safe. It looks like he just took it out of a bank vault. Dude, they're not lifting that.
Oh, you could lift it.
You could. Yeah, man, this is palatial. Here we go. This is for you, my man. I know how you feel about the Skittles. Pour some Skittles, you know?
It don't get no more baller than that.
We're in Vegas.
That's some player shit right there, man.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
I ain't gonna tell nobody.
You just can't say no to Skittles.
Just fucking.
Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Alvin and Marshawn Lynch. Today, we're gonna make the Beast Mode Burger.
Facts.
All right.
Facts.
Real quick.
Hold on, where your accent go?
What I hear is that you like chicken wings.
True.
Well, this burger is inspired by a hot wing. Have you ever made hot wing hot sauce?
No, I haven't.
Well, you're in luck.
I would have just threw hella crystals on it and called it a day.
Yeah, you're in luck because that's what we're doing right now.
All right. He not playing with this.
Oh, I'm not playing. No, we're doing it for real.
You gotta make sure this that real deal though. Hold on.
Yeah, chase it, please. Yep, you gotta do it.
All right, that's the truth.
A tablespoon of butter. I don't have it on heat. Just that the heat from like bringing it to a simmer. That's all you need to melt that butter. That's it.
All right.
You got the best hot wing hot sauce right there. So I'm gonna throw these.
Oh, you ain't playing no games.
Cooked slices of bacon. Do you want to?
What's that?
Salt bait this guy.
Yeah, man.
Let me flip it over.
I don't call this no salt beta or whoever blood it. I call this that old school 40. Sprinkle me, man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, sprinkle me, man.
You know, just sprinkle them with a little bit of game.
Sprinkle me, man. Shout out 40, man.
Fresh cracked pepper.
Hold on, before we get there.
Put it on there. Ooh.
Tastes good. Yeah. You know, I actually got my own restaurant.
Yeah, I heard about it. It's in Oakland.
Yeah, right.
What's it called?
Facts. Rob Benz. Yeah.
Rob Beans.
Rob Benz.
Raw beans?
Rob Benz.
Raw beans.
Yep. There you go. Yeah.
Nice. I'm making this burger for that place, yeah?
True.
If it's good enough, it'll be on your menu.
I mean, regardless if it's good enough or not, the story behind this is enough to have it in
I
there.
love it. So you see that crust we have right there?
Okay, that's what you were talking about.
We want that. And since we're using cheddar, I'm gonna throw it on now. I'm gonna go and pull an audible.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pulling audible. Just to like amplify the flavors. I'm gonna throw this on here.
Hey, that make the best quarterback. You know what I mean?
Right? We're gonna let that rest a little.
Being able to call an audible in the time, you know what I mean?
So I got this ciabatta bun. You have to always have a hot bun. Got some ranch, some sliced jalapenos. Then we got this jardiniere. It's cauliflower, onions, jalapenos, carrot. They're all pickled.
It's a spicy ass burger. Like, eat about that shit. You play too much. Top him off.
Check this out. This is what I call the beast mode burger, guaranteed to be flames. What do you think?
I ain't gonna lie to you, family, I'm ready.
If this was gonna hit a restaurant, I'd say it'd probably be about 25. Oh yeah. What are we thinking? What are we tasting? Where are we at? What are we going for? Dog, that looks so good. He's formulating. He's formulating. He's formulating, man.
I ain't gonna lie to you, big dog. That motherfucker is serious, bruh. A real G shit.
Yeah.
I'd have spent $50 for this burger.
Word. That's a high compliment, man.
We
went from foie gras, lobster,
all the shit,
to Okinawa purple potatoes, to matsutake mushrooms, to the Beast Mode Flames burger, man.
To the truth.
Boom.
To the truth.
There you have it. My boy, Marshawn, we did it. We made him a burger. We're gonna sell it. Look out for it. Check us out. Burger show, baby.
I throw in the white flag.
That's real.
I give up. I found it.
What's up, everybody? It's Alvin of The Burger Show. Make sure you turn on your notifications, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.